Hi friends, I am Sajitnya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the fingerprint functionality in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends, and how you can add the fingers and how many fingers you can add in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and how accuracy is the fingerprint. So we'll get to know all the things about the fingerprint in the Redmi Note 9 Pro in this video, friends. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro and other devices. So wait, you can find links in description, friends. So do check the playlist. And these are my recently uploaded videos, friends. So even if you are interested in my recent videos, you can check my channel, friends. So as you can see here. And now in this video, I'll be talking about the fingerprint functionality of the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. The fingerprint placement is at the power button, friends, as you can see clearly. So nowadays the IPS panels and which phones are releasing in the Redmi phones, Honor phones, even in the Realme phones, they are trying to use side as a fingerprint scanner instead of display. So if you ask me which fingerprint do you prefer, I would say the fingerprint scanner on the display is better option in terms of unlocking the device. So for example, there is a scenario like when you are placing your phone on the table and you got a notification and you need to open. So just using this finger, just without even picking the phone, you can unlock the device, friends. So if you register this index finger, so which is the best option for in-display fingerprint mobile phones. Even if you're having side fingerprint button, you need to just go around and open the unlock the device. So that's up to you guys which side you like, side fingerprint or display fingerprint. And unfortunately the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a side fingerprint, and let's get into the depth into the fingerprint unlock options. So what are the things you can get here? So you can add up to 5 fingerprint, friends, and let me try to add one of the fingerprint and let's see how fast it is in terms of adding the finger. I am trying to add the left and middle finger, friends, in terms of unlocking. So whenever I take out the phone mobile from my left side of the pocket from my point, so then I can immediately unlock with the left hand itself. And if I am using the right hand, I would prefer the thumb finger to unlock, so which is a convenient way to unlock the device. And left hand, these are how I hold the mobile phone in this way usually. So it all depends upon you, friends, and which finger to add. So personally I would prefer adding the left hand middle finger and right hand thumb finger, so which is very easy to unlock the device. So in terms of touch and press is that, so usually I'll prefer the touch option, friends, not the press option, because the thing is that whenever you place your fingerprint on the power button, so it automatically unlocks. So if you choose the press option, what is that, so even if you're placing your finger, it doesn't unlock. As you can see, you need to press the button to unlock the device. So some people like the press and some people like the touch, but I usually prefer to use touch option to unlock the device very fast. So even you can use this fingerprint unlocking option even for the app lock as well. So I'll be doing the separate video demonstrating the app lock functionality, friends. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So overall you can add up to 5 fingerprints in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends. So in terms of fastness, it's pretty fast. There is no lag or delay in terms of unlocking the device, so as you can see, so which is very good. So sometimes it's slow, but still not that slow, friends, in terms of unlocking the device. And this is overall review, friends, and do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting another review on Face ID unlocking as well. So stay tuned, friends, for that. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.